My take on a keto French toast, also known as an egg loaf or flourless French toast. Started with 8 eggs, half a block of cream cheese, 1 whole stick of butter, nice and melted. Set all that to the blender and started piling on those flavors. Some sweetener, some vanilla. For I will go ahead and list the ingredients in the end. Put the mixture to a parchment lined pan. Thought there was some cinnamon, lots and lots of cinnamon, and some sugar-free chopped zero maple syrup. Put it in the oven and look how pretty she is. You can eat these on an egg fast, but I made me a nice, yummy keto brunch. My loaf into pieces, add some butter in a pan, and went ahead and added 4 slices. I like mine nice and brown, but you go ahead and cook yours to your liking. Sizzle things like this. I've managed to lose over 120 pounds and still can. Just to show that eating healthy is not eating boring. Up there with my favorite toppings, some strawberries, some blueberries, some bacon, and some sausage. More of that sugar-free maple vanilla syrup all over, including the meats. Pounded with some whipped cream, flavor got cinnamon buttery roll. You guys, this was so good, easy and delicious. If you try it, tag me and let me know. Now hit the like and follow and share with a friend.